today's video we will fix the LG monitor auto brightness changing, disable DFC, eco mode and fix flicker. So the fix one, you can disable DFC, digital fine contrast. So the step one, you can press the monitor or joystick or menu button, then open the picture setting and then find the DFC and turn it off. Then save settings and check the brightness. Fix 2, you can turn off smart energy saving or eco mode. Open the monitor menu, then go to the journal or picture setting, then find the smart energy saving or eco mode, and then at last you can set it to off. The fix 3, you can disable HDR in Windows. Right click on the desktop, then click on display setting. After that select your LG monitor and then turn HDR off and then restart the PC. And the fix 4, you can adjust auto brightness in Windows. Open settings, then go to system and now at last click on display. Then turn off change brightness automatically if available and then click on apply changes. Goodbye.